We are at Disney's Hollywood Studios, one of the smaller Disney parks, and over here is all the employee parking, and it goes like all the way down there where Galaxy's Edge is. Just like think of how many employees Disney has. It's like, that's crazy. That's mind-blowing to me. But we are at Hollywood Studios. It is cold. It's about 76. Kids have jackets. They're freezing. Hopefully it gets warmer today. Should be about 90 later on. It's like 8:30, half hour early. So, looking at just the Genie app, not Genie Plus. This is their recommendations for today. I am not going to Galaxy's Edge first. I'm not. We're gonna try to get on Slinky's Dog Dash first. That's your penny collection already? Almost got one whole page full. Wow. Nice. It's 9 o'clock. Let's go. I might be speaking a little early, but it's a Saturday. I don't know, it seems like it's reasonable today. Doesn't seem that busy. Seems reasonable. Here we go. Into Toy Story Land. First ride of the day will be Slinky's Dog Dash. We have not ridden yet. Never got the opportunity to go on it, so we're going to this one first. The app is saying 45 minutes. Probably be a little bit longer than that. And it's saying 55 minutes here, so do what you could do, you know? 55 minutes. I haven't rode it, so we have to ride it. Ooh, rough. It's 9:16, just went up to 70 minutes. See how long it takes. Instructions. This is how far we made it last time. Before we left because it was about to rain. So they closed it and we ended up just walking out. That's how far we made it though. We got the first row! Let's go! First row! There's the panel. Pretty cool. Go, look, go. Oh, we're going backwards. Here we go. Fast now. Whoa! Make a ticket! How was that?
I'm so happy you're here. I just have to sing.
You've got a friend in me.
It is, I don't know if you can see it, 9:50, so it was what? 40 minutes? 35 minutes for Slinky Dog. That wasn't bad. I liked it. It was a good ride.
Yep.
Good? You liked it? What do you give it? 1 out of 10.
17.
17. Oh, better than 13, huh? Alien swirling saucers. 20-minute wait. Sheesh. This is a crazy alien driver! Wow, he's so great! Wow, he's so crazy! Wow! Yeah! He's a crazy one, huh? Whoa! Whoa! Toy Story Mania 40 minutes. We have a little bit of us doing that one in the first time visiting Hollywood Studios. You want to check that video out? Click the link up above, the little card. Click the card above. We like this ride because Jaxie gets to ride it, right? You get to ride this ride. Yeah? Guess who? It's Pikachu! God dang. We went a different way this time, look. It's like a big door, it's like we walked into Andy's room. 159,300. I don't even know what I got last time, to be honest, but look, androids over here. See?
Yeah. Over here.
They're androids. Yeah, it's a robot. Robots. See? They're talking to each other.
Screamed that one, and now I'm gonna say hi to the one I screamed at.
Justine's favorite. The Stormtroopers.
One moment, young one. Are you here looking for adventure? Or looking for trouble? Have you seen resistance activity here? Are you looking for adventure? Or trouble? Well, with adventure, we'll just keep an eye on the trouble. Sorry, we're on the move.
The other one said like 30. We waited an hour.
Millennium Falcon. Smugglers Run. App is saying 65. Sign is saying 65. You ready? You like this one? Because you fly the ship? Let's go. Ready to go fly some spaceships? Hopefully we do something different this time. We steered it last time, right? Let's see what we do this time.
Again, if this doesn't explode, I'll consider us lucky. Proceed!
Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate.
Two pilots side by side. You guys are going to be flying the ship today, okay? You're doing left and right, you're flying us up and down.
Oh.
Back on the stick to go up, forward to go down, okay? For you, left is left, right is right. I did not switch those up. If you get them confused, I'm not sure how to help you at this point. My gunners, you folks are going to be...
You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order trade shipment of commercial with you.
For your safety, remain seated and supervise younglings. Por favor, permanezcan sentados.
Let's go.
Push all your flashing buttons to power up your ship.
Flight engineer, repair test. Hit your flashing button. You'd better be faster when we get in real trouble. Right, pilot? Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly up. And push forward to fly down. Boost! Boost! Boost!
I'm boosting.
Die. Let's get out of here!
She can't reach it. Ah! You see Chewie? He's up there. Let's go say hi. Say hi to Chewbacca. Hi! He waved!
He's just embedded in you. He feels so good. When he's doing that
It's time to go eat. And you know, from this fountain, what we have to be getting is, like always, pizza. Pizza Rizzo's. You got Pizza Rizzo's pizza? You like the pepperoni pizza from here?
Yeah, I have
A woody bottle?
Yeah, now I can put it right here.
Nice. I got a meatball parm. And a salad.
Look at the guy in the goofy mask. That's not a mask. Ooh, sorry, lady.
It just came out of Muppet Vision 3D. I don't know who this guy is, but he like comes out in real life and like, I don't know, it's pretty cool. It's a cool show. Chippendale Mini. Stay right there. We're gonna go see the Frozen sing-along celebration. Frozen. You ready?
Yes.
You wanna see Elsa and Anna? Justine.
It's Anna.
It's Anna, sorry. Elsa and Anna.
Anna.
Greetings, friends. Disney's Hollywood Studios welcomes you to, for the first time in forever, a Frozen sing-along celebration. Join in a fun storytelling and sing-along, capturing the best of Frozen moments. For the
first time in forever, Elsa and I will be celebrating the Arendelle Festival. Yay!
You could have missed the Arendelle Festival.
I'm your uncle.
I'm sorry, what? You heard me.
I haven't seen her.
Yeah, I think we remember seeing the Queen of Arendelle.
Okay, just do me a favor and keep an eye out for her.
Radio, Mr. Reindeer King.
It's just Kristoff.
What's going on?
Well, it's starting to get cold in here. That can only mean one thing.
Oh, I hope so. Then we can really celebrate the Arendelle Festival. Glad you're here. The royal historians of Arendelle have been telling our story. Thank you. And that was a very good story you told. But the ending felt strange. Well, Olaf did help a lot.
Anna, you saved our entire kingdom. It was you who saved your sister and yourself.
Oh! Oh! Oh, baby! It's snowing! Oh my gosh.
The kingdom of Arendelle, very proud. Thank you all so much for coming. Great job, everyone.
Come on, let's go find Sven.
Thank you all for coming and singing along with us.
Enjoy the rest of your day exploring the kingdom of Hollywood land!
Oh, snow!
Makes me want a snow cone.
And chocolate.
Chocolate snow cone! Chase! Chase again!
Thank you for joining us.
How'd you like the Frozen show? What was your favorite part? When the snow was coming down. Jay, you liked it? You liked singing? You get to sing, and you get to see Elsa and Anna. Yeah. Here's some of the golden statues for the 50th anniversary. That's cool. Oh, they got the droids over there. We're right outside of Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. So when you come into the park, you see the railway statues to your left. And I think there's one over here? Yeah, I think there's one back here. Oh, there's a couple back here. And then we got Piano Guy from, I can't remember the movie, dang. It just slipped out of my head, I forgot. Tower of Terror. Justine's favorite. We're gonna go do the roller coaster over here and then come back to the Tower of Terror. Justine's favorite ride. Nope. Can't do the rock and roller coaster. 48 inches and you're like 47 inches. You need like one more inch. It's like Cheetah Hunt. Cheetah Hunt is 48 inches. And you can't ride that one either. You gotta drink your milk and eat your food. You gotta eat your food so you get big and tall.
I have my water bottle to drink it.
So, we're just gonna go to the Tower of Terror. Dang. Dang you kid, you're too small. Go, 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 go. Is this your favorite ride? The Twilight Zone.
That door is opening once again.
Is that good? Let me see that donut.
Big donut.
Take it out.
It's heavy.
Nope, we're done.
It's as big as your head. Put it up to your head. Oh my gosh, it's as big as your head. Coffee. You don't have to eat it all at once. You can save it for later. It's a big donut. It's a big donut. This is hands down my favorite thing at Disney World. The jalapeno cheese pretzel? I don't know, jalapeno pretzel? Favorite, all time, favorite thing to get. Every time I come, I have to have this pretzel. The pretzel. Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. I don't know how long the wait is, but Jadams can do it. And Jaxie. So, it's a whole family adventure. Let's go. Mickey Mouse and Perfect Picnic. That basically tells you the story of the movie. 40-minute wait. It's not bad. It's gonna be the last ride for this part. That didn't take that long to get into this part. It took like 10-15 minutes. It's so cool. Potato Land! She's having fun. Resting? Resting, Jaxie?
Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you there. Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
That's gonna be a lot of paperwork for me.
Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
Do you guys want to head into the cartoon?
Yeah. panel.
Testing. This thing on. Can you all hear me way back in the back?
What could possibly go wrong?
Oh no! Oh no! He went the other way! Oh! Where are we going? Oh! Whoa! Wow!
Hooray! Step right up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
There they are!
Look! Ah! It's a tornado! It's a tornado! Look at the hats! My hair! Oh my God! Whoa!
We have to stop them before they go over them!
We're underwater. Oh, we're going down a drain. Oh. Hey, babe. Oh.
That's right.
Oh.
Everyone to your positions. Ready and...
Oh no. What happened?
One, two,
Oh, okay.
1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent. You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Now, let's come down.
Da 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 da. Oh no! Help us, Minnie! Help us! Ah!
Well, that concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park.
Oh, Mickey fireworks!
Why, picnickers? Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Look, so you get off it, and then you walk back through the movie theater. You're gonna walk back through the movie. Look. We're behind the screen, see? See? And it's like we walked back through the... Like we came from the movie. We went into it, and then we exit through it. I love that. This is the best ride. I love this ride. Oh, they have Mickey and Minnie Runaway Railway headbands, $29.99. That's pretty cool. I didn't know they had that. And that does it from Hollywood Studios. It is 5 o'clock. We're on our way over to Animal Kingdom. They close at 8. And we're only going to ride one ride. You know what ride it is. Flight of Passages. So, we did everything here at this park. So, Justine said she wants to go to Animal Kingdom to go to Avatar to ride Flight of Passage. So, that's where we're off to. End the night over there. Make sure I bring my glasses so I could actually see Pandora, because everything was a blur to me last time. So let's hop, park hop.